Well, that's a surprise. I haven't shot 10 millimeters, so pulling these out of the bag is pretty exciting. It's gonna be fun to shoot a silenced 10 mil.
Yep.
And the pocket gun. I love it. I love it. I love the small Glocks. These are great. Let's go do it.
Okay, I'm following you.
Okay. Got everything? Both? Bringing both guns.
Yep.
Okay.
I need footage of both.
Okay. Wow.
You can start off with that full size if you want, dude. I gotta top the mag off though. They're not fully loaded.
We could set this right here. The deal looks so cool. God. So you have a Wolf barrel.
Yep.
And that's a silencer co. Is that right?
Osprey.
Osprey. 40. Wow. So why isn't this Duracoated?
Because it goes from gun to gun.
Okay.
Black's the best color if you're swapping it gun to gun.
And we got the big 10 millimeter bullets.
That HPR you're shooting, I think this is full power stuff.
That's how we roll. Full power all the time,
dude,
right?
10 mil is my favorite caliber for a handgun. Goes through car doors, blows through political correctness.
So, we talked about this a little bit earlier. 10 millimeter would be your go-to gun. 10 millimeter, this gun right here.
Correct. If I can take it, I'm taking a 10 millimeter. And unless the guy has some serious body armor on, it's going to go right through it.
Now, why do you think 10 millimeter isn't more popular?
It's very, very expensive. That's why.
So people, I mean, obviously 9 millimeters probably the most popular. It's the most common gun I see in the range.
You buy 1,000 rounds of 9mm without taking a loan out.
Yeah.
Do that with 10mm.
10mm ain't gonna happen.
Like this box here,
rounds,
I spent $35 on this box.
Of 50.
A 50.
Box of 50. So
and that's not a bad price. That's a decent.
$70 100, $700 1,000.
It's a lot of money.
That's a lot of money.
But for a defensive gun, you shoot a couple times a year.
Yeah.
Who cares?
Yeah.
You know, 10 mils in my system, dude. It always will be.
Top this off.
You fully stoked?
Dude, I'm pumped. This is gonna be awesome.
All right.
Ready to shoot.
Tear it up. You can go whatever distance you want. And I'll start you with a whistle. These mags will work, so you can use one of these mags for the 29. That will fit into that gun.
That's hollow point ammo.
Doesn't matter.
You want to shoot this?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's basically the same price.
Wow.
Welcome to the expense.
Wow.
Of TMP. It's a lot.
Okay, so we'll go.
Plus, that's full power, and I want full power loads for this video.
Okay, we'll go from right here.
Right there.
Okay. On the whistle.
It's a pussycat, isn't it?
The first one caught me off guard a little bit. Here we go. Gotta shoot a little bit high for me.
Just shooting high?
I'll get it lower. Won't miss anymore. Except for that one. And that one. Right here.
I just put those sights on too, then they're aim a little bit left.
Okay. Better.
I think I had them drifted, so you're hitting right. They're just drifted for you. So just aim left.
Okay.
That's it. Next target. Your own pace. Good hits. Low right on those.
Okay. Ah. Yeah, it is a little bit. I do need to hold left.
Okay.
Well, it definitely does have some more punch. It's got a lot more punch than 9mm we've been shooting all day.
That's full power 10mm you're shooting through that.
And you can really see it on our IPSC target over there. It really rocks the target.
It hammers it.
It's swinging. It's swinging pretty good. I like it though.
I love it.
I like it. Need a little more practice.
Let me see if I... What were you saying?
Okay, give me some double taps. Ready?
Boy, there's some particulates flying back, like pieces of brass or something.
Really?
Yeah, wear glasses.
Okay. The suppressor does change your point of impact a little bit, doesn't it? Very cool. Very cool.
Let me come over here.
Let's go.
I won't whistle on this, it's too far. Love it. Maybe my favorite new holster pistol. I love this thing.
Nice gun. And different sights. You have different sights
Yeah,
on
Heine
this, so-
straight eights on it.
Yep.
That's a cool bevy of Glocks right there, dude.
Dude, that's awesome.
That one can be loaded, I think.
Oh, yep.
I'm gonna see if we got more ammo.
It's a big bullet.
Yep. You want that gun, don't you?
I do. I'd take that gun in a heartbeat. Sweet.
Yep.
Compact 10mm.
That's a sweetheart of a gun.
I don't mind shooting the small Glocks. They really shoot nice.
It's controllable too, huh?
Yeah.
I mean, maybe not for you with your effeminate grip.
Well, I do have girl hands.
Yeah. So let's do 8 yards on this.
Okay.
Not 10. 7 or 8.
Right, about right here.
So, yeah.
I'm gonna walk it off.
That's good. Take your time. I want max accuracy.
Okay.
This is shooting hunting shack munition, 180 grain, hollow point.
Okay, let's do it.
Three per.
Okay. Well done.
A-okay.
That's some good shooting.
Thanks, dude.